let's create some more technical stuff. Let's be too technical today and make a whole calculator using JavaScript. I'm not gonna get into the front end stuff. I'm just gonna do everything here within the terminal. So let's create a function. So we wanna have a function and we wanna name it calculator. Or calculate. Let's name it calculate. And when I take in three parameters, it's num1, num2, and a operator. Okay, so it's num1, num2, and a operator. Okay. Now inside the function, we wanna use a switch. Okay. So we wanna use a switch, and the switch is gonna take in the operator. Oh, my spelling for operator is wrong, but don't mind it. Okay, so inside the switch, we're gonna use case. So if it's a plus, then we're going to return num1 plus num2. Right? But if it happens that the case is a times, then we're going to return num1 times num2. Okay, and if it happens that the case is a minus, then we're going to return num1 minus num2, and a special case of division. Okay, so for division, if it happens that num2, so num2 should not be equals to 0. Okay, it's going to give us an error. So that's why if that's not the case, then we're going to continue as normal. And then I'm just going to give an error message here. Cannot divide with 0. Okay, and then we're going to have a default, and the default is going to return invalid operator. Okay, I think that's it for our switch statement. Now we're gonna have the example usage. Okay, so we want to set num1, let's make it 5, and then we want to set num2 and make it a 10, and we want to set the operator to be, what will we make it? Let's make it a times. Yeah, it should be inside single quotes, make it a times. And now we need to log it. So we want to say console.log backticks and $. So num1 $, is gonna take the operator. What do I spell operator as? Operator. Okay, and this is gonna take num2. Inside curly brackets, and all this is gonna be equals to we have to set it within the given parameters that we used. So our function is called calculate, right? I think let's double check. It's important to make sure. Let's just copy this. Paste it here. Okay, so our function is called calculate, and we have num1, num2, and the operator. Let's also fix the operator error because it's going to give us a problem. Operator and operator. Okay, and I think that should be fine. Let's see if we run it, will it give us any errors or not? Hopefully we don't get errors, guys. It's main.js. 5 times 10 is in fact 50. So we managed to create a whole calculator. It wasn't that complicated because I just used a switch statement, and that's pretty much all. But you can see it's like the basic way of creating a calculator within JavaScript. And there's more advanced ways to creating such things. Like maybe you can use different functions for each operator, you know, all those creative things. But I just wanted to show you guys that we can definitely create it just using the terminal. Maybe next time, if you guys would want, I don't know, just comment below if you want to see a full on calculator. You can create a full calculator with the front end stuff, the colors and everything. Let me know below what you guys think.